They smell so good.
We have Valentine's Day bath bombs. They're made to look like those little hearts that you like give to your crush. I used a conversation heart mold and packed in some bath bombs. I learned from my mistakes. I didn't know that bath bombs didn't fizz in cold water. So I got my warm water. I'm gonna use True Love. Uno, dos, tres. Love. It's fizzing, yay! So there's a lot of chemical reaction in this DIY, but did you know that when you have a crush, there's a lot of chemical reaction happening in your brain? So like the brain chemistry when you have a crush is super similar to like the symptoms of OCD. Love is a science, and you know what? This is too. Let's hack it. For this DIY, you'll need a heart mold, coconut oil, citric acid, Epsom salt, cornstarch, food coloring, essential oils, and a food marker. Mix the citric acid, Epsom salt, and cornstarch. Slowly add 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. The mixture should feel like sand. Add more oil if you need it. Next, add the food coloring and essential oil. Then press your mixture into the mold. Let it sit for 24 to 36 hours and remove from the mold. Carefully write on your creation with the food marker. Just pop into a bath and get ready for a show. The super cool thing about them being super small is you can just pop them in a little baggie, like give them to your friends so they can have like a little mini bath. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs every Friday. And show the notification bell some love because it's Valentine's Day and you'll get notified every time I post. Happy Valentine's Day, hackers! GoldieBlox signing off. Bonus hack, hit the subscribe button. That's it. So easy. And now you get super cool DIYs every Friday.